So I was taking a break from working on the boat, and my daughter's room is really tight with a ton of stuff in it. So we looked at some loft beds, and I thought, hey, I could do that. So I built a loft bed today, and it looks like this. There's my babies. So really simple, honestly. I used some 4x4s, dug fir for the corners, cut it off about 5 feet, and then I use 1x4 pine, and nothing's been finished yet, obviously. And then I use some 2x2 pine for the railing on the outside. So that is my first and only attempt at making a loft bed. There you go. And baby's already putting stuff in there.